Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio 2019. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. So in front of you I have opened this official site of Visual Studio from Microsoft. I just searched Visual Studio, download Visual Studio 2019 in Google, and this is the page came. So let's start with Enterprise. So I clicked on it. And this is the page that appeared, and it also downloaded an exe file. So I click on the exe file. Now it is installing. So this is what it came. I click on continue. Now it is downloading. Now the verification is going on. The next will be installation. Okay, I got the green sign for downloaded. Now the next step is installation. Now the installation begins. So now for Visual Studio installer, downloaded and installed both have gone. Now the installer is coming. And it's moving with the next steps. Let's see. So now it has populated. Let me maximize. Okay. So you can see at the bottom there are two options: install while downloading and install. So you can select which would you like to install. I'm gonna select all, but you don't have to. Whatever you want, you can just simply install them. Here you go. In the second tab you have individual components that you want to install. I'm going to leave it as it is, but you can always install more. Language packs, I don't want any other stuff. Alright, so it's really a good thing. So I have a lot of other things to install. I'm not going with this, I'm just installing. Let me see what I would like to install. Whatever is your need, just select them. I don't want Python at this moment. So these are some basic components I have selected, and I selected install while downloading, and I click on install. Now it is going through. It's gonna download 6 gigabytes, but my internet connection seems to be good. So hopefully it will be in a better speed. So because I selected like install while downloading, so the more components are being installed, the more installation is also going on. As you can see, 1% installation is completed already while this download is in progress. You know guys, I'm not satisfied with this download speed as well, because I am paying for 1 gigabyte speed, and why I am getting only 10 megabytes, but it's bytes, not bits. Okay, so not too bad. So the download and installation is over, and now the system is asking for a reboot, and any remaining step will resume automatically after the restart. So I'm going to restart now. So let's see. So after the reboot, the installation was already completed, and I managed to open Visual Studio 2019. I had to log in order to pull the profile, so that is why I could not record that section, because I cannot let my login information go live publicly. So now I am here. So this is how simple it is. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like, comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to us. This is your own channel. Thank you guys.